Goa Police Anti-Narcotics. 26th June is observed as the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Goa Police have been conducting various programs. We have also earlier conducted slogan competition, drawing painting competition, going in the schools. We also conducted 10 kilometers marathon run. As a part of these observance, to make awareness, sensitize the public, we also tied up with different clubs and associations of Goa, wherein we are promoting sensitivity and awareness about the ill effects of drugs. Today what has been performed is by Smita Patil Foundation of Mumbai. At a short notice they have come. They were also in Kalangur sensitizing, making awareness. So on my request, they at one step came forward for educating the public to showcase how the ill effects of drug takes the family downtrodden. Let us take the pledge to say no to drugs. And with this, I also say that we have Manas Helpline 1933 number. Whoever wants to share any information about drugs or want any support or any help, they may call on to this number 1933 helpline and the required support will be given to them. Let me assure you that the identity of the person giving information or asking for support will be kept secret. Thank you so much.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.